गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज आपका पॉलिटिकल साइंस का जो है एक एमसीक्यू टेस्ट होने वाला है। छोटा सा ही है, ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं है। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ दीज इज नॉट अ गुड आर्ग्यूमेंट इन फेवर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी? फर्स्ट चॉइस, पीपल फील फ्री एंड इक्वल इन डेमोक्रेसी. Second point, democracy resolves conflicts in a better way than other. Third point, democratic government is more accountable to the people. Fourth point, democracy are more prosperous than others. You can discuss.
जवाब दीजिए। जवाब बताएगा।
सर इसका आंसर डी होगा क्योंकि डेमोक्रेसी ज़्यादा पैसे वाली है, इसलिए अच्छी बात है आर्गुमेंट करनी।
Next question is, which of the following statements is not correct? First choice, Pinochet is not elected by the people. Second choice, King of Nepal rules because he happens to be born into a royal family. Third point, King of Saudi Arabia rules because he belongs to a royal family. Fourth point, King of Nepal rules because he is elected by the people of Nepal. You can discuss.
सर इसका ऑप्शन डी होगा क्योंकि जो नेपाल के जो किंग थे उन्होंने कोई भी इलेक्शन नहीं करा था कि उनकी देश की जनता होनी चाहिए।
Next question, which of the following statements is correct about democracy? First choice, in a democratic country, each senior citizen must have more than one vote. Second choice, in democracy, each citizen must have one vote and one value. Third choice, in democracy, each woman must have no vote and no value. Fourth point, all of the above. You can discuss.
इसका आंसर भी है क्योंकि डेमोक्रेसी में हर एक सिटीजन को ओनली वन वोट देने की परमिशन है।
Next question, which president of USA said these words? Democracy is the rule of the people, for the people and by the people. Choices, Abraham Lincoln, Washington, Nixon, J.W. Bush. You can discuss.
ऑप्शन है अब्राहम लिंकन है, ये बात उन्होंने ही बोली थी।
Next question, democracy comes from which language? Roman, French, Greek, English.
Greek language.
Okay, correct. Next question, what is the name of China's parliament? National People's Congress, Senate, Congress या Duma?
नेशनल पीपल कांग्रेस।
Correct. Next question, which party always won election in Mexico since its independence in 1930 until 2000? Choices are Revolutionary Party, Mexican Revolutionary Party, Institutional Revolutionary Party or Institutional Party. You can discuss.
ऑप्शन सी
सी।
नेशनल रेवोल्यूशनरी पार्टी।
Correct. Next question is, which of these are necessary to provide the basic rights to the citizens? Choices are, citizens should be free to think, should be free to form association, should be free to rise protest or all of the above. You can discuss.
क्योंकि जितने भी सारे ऑप्शन है ये मतलब एक सिटीजन को ये सारी चीज़ें करने की परमिशन होती है।
Next question, some of the drawbacks of democracy are choices are instability and delays, corruption and hypocrisy, political fighting among themselves या फिर all of the above. You can discuss.
ऑप्शन डी होगा क्योंकि इस हमारे गवर्नमेंट में ये सब भी करती है इसीलिए होती है।
Okay. Next question is, the most common form that democracy takes in our time is that of first choice limited democracy, second maximum democracy, third representative democracy, fourth none of the above. You can discuss.
आंसर नन ऑफ दी अबव होगा क्योंकि इनमें से कुछ नहीं है इसका आंसर।
Okay. Next question is, which of the following statements relates to the concept of sovereign? First choice, that government of India can interfere in the affairs of other countries. Second choice, all countries are equal. Third choice, no external power can dictate the government of India. Fourth choice, UNO can interfere in the affairs of India. You can discuss.
Sir, option C, no external power can dictate the government of India.
Next question, the head of the state is an elected person and not a hereditary one. It is called first choice monarch, second choice democratic, third choice trinity, fourth choice republic. You can discuss. Fourth, okay. Next question. Dash is a form of government where people enjoy equal political right. First choice monarch, second choice democratic, third choice trinity, fourth choice dictatorship.
Democratic. Option B.
Okay. Next question. Name the national leader who tried to draft the Constitution of India as far as back as 1928. First choice Motilal Nehru, second choice Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, third choice Jawaharlal Nehru, fourth choice Mahatma Gandhi. You can discuss.
B. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar.
Next question. Who was the chairman or president of the first Constituent Assembly? First choice Dr. Sachidanand Sinha, second choice Dr. Rajendra Prasad, third choice Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, fourth choice Mahatma Gandhi. You can discuss.
B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Next question. Who was the Viceroy of India when India became free? First choice Redcliffe, second choice Sir John Simon, third choice William Bentinck, fourth choice Mountbatten. You can discuss.
Option C, William Bentinck.
Okay. Next question is, who was the chairman of drafting committee? First choice Dr. Rajendra Prasad, second choice Dr. Sachidanand Sinha, third choice Sardar Patel, fourth choice Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. You can discuss.
B.R. Ambedkar. Option B.
The next question is, the Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution of India on first option 26 January 1950, second 26 November 1949, third 26 January 1950, fourth 15 August 1947.
Sir, ये option 26 January 1950.
Option
50.
Sir,
Sir, मैं बताऊँ?
sir,
26 नवंबर का है
26 नवंबर 1948. अपन सर हमने लिखा है अडॉप्ट कब हुआ था? कब लोगों ने माना था? 26 जनवरी होगा ना सर?
26 नवंबर 1949 को आप कितने बच्चे एग्री करते हो? कितने बच्चे एग्री करते हैं? 1, 2 और 26 जनवरी 1950 कितने एग्री करते हैं?
सर ये तो बेसिकली इसी दिन तो रिपब्लिक डे है।
चलिए लगाइए, देखते हैं बाद में हम आंसर क्या आता है इसका।
Next question is, who among the following was not the member of Constitution Assembly? First choice Mahatma Gandhi, second choice Rajendra Prasad, third choice A.T. Krishnamachari, fourth choice Jawaharlal Nehru. You can discuss.
एनिमल ओके आंसर देना चाहेगा? हाँ आइए
और कोई?
आपका कितने बच्चे टीटी कुसुमाचार्य के ऊपर एग्री करते हैं? हाथ खड़े करें। महात्मा गांधी के ऊपर महात्मा गांधी लगाइए।
Next question is, which of the following terms is not included in the permeable to the Indian Constitution? First choice is liberty, second equality, third secular, fourth religious. You can discuss.
कौन सा? लिबर्टी। एनिमल हो गया आंसर?
No.
सेक्युलर। हाँ रिलीजन कहाँ है?
वोटिंग।
फिर से वोटिंग कर दिया।
इनमें से कौन सा शब्द आपके संविधान में नहीं है? प्रिंसिपल के
सर
अंदर
1950 का बात है।
कौन सा शब्द नहीं है? हाँ।
Religion.
अच्छा चलिए तो वोटिंग कर लेते हैं। कितने बच्चे रिलीजन को एग्री करते हैं? बताओ बताइए।
Next question is, the Indian Constitution came into effect on first choice 26 January 1949, second choice 26 January 1950, third choice 26 January 1952, fourth choice 26 November 1950.
हाँ
26 जनवरी 1950 और कोई है? सही है? question. Which revolution in the world inspired the Indians to set up a socialist economy? First choice, Russian Revolution. Second choice, French Revolution. Third choice, American Revolution. Fourth choice, White Revolution. You can discuss.
Russian Revolution.
Next question. The Constitution begins with a short statement of its basic values. What is it called? First choice, article. Second choice, introduction. Third, preamble. Fourth, overface.
Preamble.
With which of the following words the preamble of Indian Constitution starts? First, we the Indians. Second, we the citizens of India. Third, we the members of the Constituent Assembly. Fourth, we the people of India. You can
How many students agree with we the peoples of India? Most of them.
और जो बाकी हाथ खड़े नहीं कर रहे वो किससे एग्री करते हैं?
अदर के साथ में है तो
Next question. By which of the following political leaders led a movement called Naya Youth in Haryana? First choice, Chaudhary Bansi Lal. Second choice, Chaudhary Devi Lal. Third choice, Om Prakash Chautala. Fourth choice, Ajay